I'm just rolling the camera while unbagging my iPhone XS Max smart battery case. Now, this device is a little hard to come by, and it's also not exactly cheap at $129. So is it worth it? Well, what attributes did it have that other cases from third parties don't have that I was looking for? Well, lightning connector, single connector when you travel. Also, just seamless integration with the battery. So this particular video is just the unboxing. Next, I'll handle having a look at actually charging or using it. All right, so now I pulled that off and the slides right out. Excellent. Kind of experimenting with using my watch as a framing device for the camera. And you can see it has the usual quality cases, or sorry, packaging that Apple products have. And now it's saying to go ahead and put the phone in. Yeah. Okay. But we got to take this cardboard out, right? So this is our little pull tab. Cardboard comes out. And there's some sort of instruction pamphlet here. Safety guide, whatever. All right, nice velvety inside covering. Feels very soft. Yes, we have a bulge for the battery because it would be weird to go around the camera and have a funny shape. Not the prettiest look, but I think it looks better than the original one, which was, well, uglier. All right, and I'll just point out that this is not Qi wireless charging. So this battery pack, when it's charged, should fully charge through the lightning connector quickly, right? Rapidly. But if you want to put it somewhere like here in a charging mat, it should work as a wireless Qi chargeable device as well. And then finally, the pass-through holes for the speaker should not significantly impact the quality of audio from what I've heard. All right, so lightning connector there, that's the differentiator. Almost any third-party product you will find from known brands on Amazon will have micro USB, meaning another charger tip to carry. So yeah, looks all right, design-wise and all that. If we look closely here, you can see some print. All right, now I just need another phone that's not on camera to test this with. Batteries are just, sorry, the buttons are just passed through rubber. Are there nubbins here? Not really. Just rubber passing through your pushes. And that's about it. Oh, I should be able to try this. Yes. So the charging light went on. You can't see that from that camera angle. In the other charging spot, charging light goes on. That is a good sign that the wireless Qi charging is working as designed. You know what? I forgot to show you something interesting. The iPhone XS Max Smart Case instruction manual. Yeah, sliding it in, you just pull the rubber back. Fine. Charging. It talks about inserting a USB cable that came with the phone to charge it. But if you want to get a fast charge, you want the USB-C to Lightning cable. Well, guess what? I have one of those. And then finally, a Qi certified wireless charger. Well, I showed you that already. So let me show you the cable that I happen to have handy. So here's my cable. Yeah, it's lightning at this end. Fine. Let's open up the center console here. And you'll see I've got a dual Scosche USB-C type connection. All right, so that gives me the fastest charging speeds on the go. Now soon third-party companies will be allowed to make those cables. But for now, it's Apple only making lightning cables like this. So this means if we plug this into the phone that's operating right now, we should get the maximum charge rates. So soon I'll need to grab another phone and try all this out. So we have two options for charging the case. Don't really need the phone to show just charging, so let's see what happens. There we go. So it's actually an LED in here. I couldn't see that well before, but it's pretty obvious now. And that's it. It's on the inside of the case, right? You don't need to look at the outside of the case because when a phone is mounted in here, your charging status is going to show on your screen like it always does. Okay, time to finish up a little more video about charging with this smart case. So let me prop up the camera for a second, and I'll go ahead and put it in the smart case. Just bend the rubber back at the top, slide it in, pretty darn straightforward. What just happened? Well, if we swipe to the left, we can see exactly what's happening. Right there. My phone, my smart battery case, and my Apple Watch. How does it look when you put wireless Qi charging in action here? Let's go ahead and put this on this Nomad charger in this car. And the LED goes on, and there we have it. It says there's a lightning bolt right next to the smart battery case. Lift it up a little so the Qi wireless charging fails. Lightning bolt goes away. Drop it back down again. We're all set. So yes, a wireless charging mat like this Nomad will work fine even with the smart case on. That makes this a bit different from any other third-party charger. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.